Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're going to be checking out Windows 7 build 6469. So this build was compiled on October 2nd, 2007. So we're going to be setting the date to October 2nd, 2007. So let's set the date to October 2nd, 2007. CD-ROM device first. We're gonna boot from the CD. Windows is loading files, and now, oh, there we go. We got the Windows Vista boot screen. I just realized I didn't do a video on 6469 yet, so I decided, you know what? Why not? This is the first leaked build of Windows 7. Yeah, and it was compiled on October 2nd, so pretty nice build. And it has a couple of changes, you know. So, yeah. Time bomb is April 7th, 2008, if anyone's wondering. If anyone wants the time bomb, there it is. And let's just get into some of the newest features. For example, some of it is like, well, actually after the setup starts and stuff. Okay, now we're on a black screen. Oh, my USB flash drive is done. That's perfect. Okay, because I was flashing this build 6469 on the USB. So yeah, I have it ready now. So I'm gonna unplug the USB flash drive. Out of that. Anyways, you can see there it says Windows codename Windows 7. It says Windows Vista here, but it says codename Windows 7 here because Windows 7's codename was just Windows 7. So yeah, that's pretty strange. We're going to click next and no, so we don't have to enter the product key. We're going to accept the license terms. We're going to do a custom install. We're going to install it to this 500 gig drive, and we're going to format it. Then we're going to click next, and it's going to start copying files. So yeah, we're going to just do a time lapse now because I'm going to go install this build on real hardware. So yeah, time lapse.
Will you hold me with your eyes? Oh, it burns me up inside. It's like fire. It's like fire. Oh, I'm fighting for my life. Just one touch and I'm alive. It's like fire.
Alright, so as you can see we are here now, so let's type in my name. We're going to choose this picture. Computer name not valid. Let's call it 6469. We'll choose this wallpaper. Yeah, we'll choose that one. The computer key name cannot contain only numbers. Okay, build 6469. There we go. So we're going to leave it in Pacific time, and we're going to say home network, next, and it should log us in now. And then we can finally get into the new features that are in this build. So yeah. So yeah, let's go into the new features. Oh, and by the way, on in Starter Edition now you can have 4 gigabytes of RAM to be installed on the user's computer, so it will work if you have 4 gigabytes of RAM. And yeah, let's wait for this to load because it's taking forever. So I'll be back once the performance checks are done. So yeah. Alright, we're logging in, and it says Windows Vista Business still because since this is an early build, it will still say Windows Vista branding. So yeah. And this build actually removes some things too, so yeah, I'm going to show you what it removes. So preparing your desktop, it's going to log us in now. Who else likes the Windows Vista like login screen background? Personally, I like it a lot. Okay, we're going to pull out of this, and we're going to go to personalize to show you the first thing that was removed, Windows colors and appearance. you can see that the old classic theme is removed, because if you click apply here and you open up the start menu, it's not the one from Windows 95. It looks a bit different. Yeah, you can see we have this new stuff right here. We can just set it to Windows Vista Basic for now. So we're gonna set that to Windows Vista Basic again, and let's see what other things we got. We got oh yeah, the control panel. The control panel actually has some changes too. So if we go to control panel home, control panel, you can see that this is the control panel, and we have this here. But anyways, this classic control panel has been renamed to all control panel items. And if we click on it, you can see it looks like this. So yeah, it looks pretty good. This is basically the old classic view. I'm pretty sure you can yeah, set as, oh wait, no, we don't want to. No, we don't want to. No, I don't want to. I don't want to set that as a default. Don't set this as a default. View small icons. Uh, yeah, for some reason I don't know why. Oh, we click control panel. Okay, anyways, there's control panel. Let's see what we can change the screen resolution to. So let's go back to personalize. Adjust screen resolution. How high? Can we make it 1920 by 1080? I think we can. Yeah, we can. Okay, let's click apply here. Okay, maybe that's a bit too big. Maybe we shouldn't have made it that big. We'll make it a bit smaller. Still can't see it that well. Yeah, this is fine. We'll make it 13. Yeah, we'll make it this. This is pretty good. Now, so we're gonna move on to the next bit of new features. So now we have what is min? Okay, so setup now, branding. Some parts of the branding, like the desktop. Yeah, the desktop watermark now says Windows code name Windows 7, as you can see right there. And so there's also an early version of the super bar. So what you gotta do is you actually gotta create a registry entry. So I'm gonna make a folder, call it registry entries. We're gonna move it here, and we're gonna create a new folder, and we're going to create a new text document, and we're gonna call this super bar. So what this does is we're going to paste in our super bar command. So yeah, and the thing is can has super bar, and if we save it as a registry entry or .reg file, we're going to click save, and as you can see there is the super bar entry. We're going to continue, and it says WEX build account, as you can see. We're going to add that, and apparently you have to only edit that from the registry entry. So we got to open up a regedit here. And as you can see, yes, this says WEX build account because this is a WEX build. So we're going to click continue. And where is it? It's located in, let's see, it says, wait, oh, it's not there. That's strange. Well, we'll just paste it. Yeah, I have it right here. We're going to click save. So it's in HKey current user. So HKey current user, Microsoft, Windows current version. So it's in Windows current version, Explorer taskband. Okay, so we gotta go to Explorer. Here it is, Explorer, and it's in taskband. What the hell is start page? I don't know what. Anyways, it's in something called taskband. I don't think there is a key called taskband because I don't see it here. So we're going to make a new key, and we're going to call it taskband. And inside of this, we have to create a dword value, called can has superbar. So can has, oh, it's capital. And we got to now modify this to 1. And now what we got to do is we have to open up Task Manager. And processes, Explorer. We're going to restart Explorer. We're going to end process, and we're going to new task, call it explorer.exe. And as you can see, yes, that was what we had to do. We had to actually do it from the registry editor. So as you can see, this is the superbar, which is actually just the much bigger taskbar. And yeah, the start menu basically looks the same. You can see now we have this nice little superbar here, so that when you open an app, it like let's say we open up Windows Live Messenger. Oh, that's the download. Well, I opened Internet Explorer, so there's Internet Explorer in the superbar. So yeah, the next features that we got is we got libraries. You can get libraries. Copy. So we're gonna go back here. Create a new text document because I have a feeling that we're going to have to do that. We're gonna call it library. If I did not spell that right. We're just gonna call it lib. We're gonna paste in this. We're gonna go back into the registry entry, and it's HKey current user software Microsoft. Yeah, it's Explorer Advanced though. So we're gonna go to Explorer Advanced, and in Advanced we gotta create a new keyword value. But I'm going to just copy this, and we're going to paste it because it will be much easier if we do that. So we're going to create a new keyword value, paste that in. We're going to modify this to 1. Okay. And now what we got to do, we have to restart Explorer again. So we're going to go here and go into Explorer. But before, I'm going to show you what Explorer looks like currently. As you can see, this is Explorer. Let's move Task Manager out of the way. So yeah, if we close out of Explorer, open it again, it looks like this. So yeah, keep this in mind. It looks like this, okay? So if we end process for Explorer, which now closes it, and we run it again, it will load. And now, if we open up Explorer, it now looks like this. Oh wait, I think the libraries are already showing. Was it showing? I don't know, but you know, we have like desktop, we have control. Oh wait, we have a shortcut to the control panel. Oh, show libraries. We got the show libraries line. And now we have all of our libraries. So libraries. The only thing right here is the documents. So we have the document library. Pretty cool. Because libraries was something that was added in Windows 7. So yeah. There's also the desktop icon. So showing the control panel icon on the desktop will call all control panel icons to show. I wonder if that actually, what does that actually work? This is oh god, I don't want to run Windows Movie Maker. I want to run control panel. Accessories. Is it in accessories? Probably in accessories, right? System tools. Yeah, if we put control panel on the desktop, apparently not. Yeah, I don't think that bugs it because desktop icon showing the control panel icon. Oh, like, oh, I see. So if we go into like view, I mean, yeah, there's like this one setting. Desktop icons. I mean, where's the icons? I'll just search for desktop icons. hide or... Oh, here it is. So we're gonna show the control panel. And okay. Now, if we click on showing the control panel, we'll see control panel and all control panel items. So I'm pretty sure it was only supposed to show control panel, but it also shows this one. So, yeah. Oh, that's what it meant by showing all control panel items to show. Login screen, the keyboard layout button has no outline. So let's go into the login screen. So we'll lock the computer. Well, that was probably a bad idea, but whatever. Yeah, it's now gonna take 50 years to log back. Okay, there we go. So there's also a no GUI boot that I want to show. So for the no GUI boot, what you have to do is you have to open up msconfig. So ms config. Yes, it will ask you for that. We're gonna go into boot and we're gonna do no GUI boot. And we're going to click apply. So now we're going to restart the computer. Let's not save that. Now it should show us our new login screen. I'm not new login screen. I meant the new boot screen, the no GUI boot screen. And this is what it looks like. Yeah, the no GUI boot screen. It looks pretty good actually. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, it's not animated because it's no GUI, but this wasn't in the final version of Windows 7. So yeah, this was really nice. I kind of really like this one. So yeah, this is pretty cool to be honest. Yeah, that's basically going to be the end of the video. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you guys liked the video, subscribe, like. If you didn't like it, dislike. Subscribe. Comment down below video suggestions, like what other builds you guys want me to do. Oh, it just skips the login screen, huh? What the hell happened to the welcome center? I'm confused. What even happened to the welcome center? Okay, so now we got even more icons on the desktop. Great. So yeah, that's basically going to be the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, I said that already, but whatever. And I'll see you in the next video. So yeah.